Right now, large crowd last night for that vigil to honor a young man shot and killed at his apartment complex in Glen Burnie. A lot of those people now demanding action against a judge who denied Tyrique Hudson's peace order request, he made it against that suspect months before he was killed. WMAR 2 News' Megan Knight is live at the Colonial Square apartment complex this morning. So Megan, that petition calling now for the judge to be removed from the bench has gotten quite a few signatures already.
Yeah, Christian, we're talking more than 10,000 signatures. That was last I checked just a few hours ago. And if you want to see that petition, we do have it on our website. There's a link on there at WMAR2news.com. And many people who came out to that vigil last night outside the Colonial Square apartments here in Glen Burnie also want to see something done about the judge who denied that peace order submitted by 22-year-old Tyrique Hudson. He was shot and killed last week at the Colonial Square apartments where he lived, and police are charging his neighbor, 56-year-old James Verombeck, with his murder. According to court documents, Hudson filed that peace order back in February, saying that Verombeck made death threats and gestures towards him. However, Judge Devy Patterson Russell denied him that order, saying that it did not meet the required burden of proof. And now community leaders are calling for Judge Russell to step off the bench.
When a community could come together to say a young man, 22 years young, life is now gone, and we could have possibly have prevented that if he had an opportunity to be able to get some type of response to his request for protection.
Now, the Commission on Judicial Disabilities, this is an independent body. They investigate complaints against Maryland judges. They've recommended that Judge Russell be suspended for 6 months, barring the State Court of Appeals decision into how she is said to have behaved in district court. Now, the Court of Appeals has yet to make any decision on that recommendation. They still have many more months until they have to do so. So in the meantime, Judge Russell is still sitting on the bench. We're live in Glen Burnie. I'm Megan Knight, WMAR 2 News.